Do you ever wonder how apps work? Let's go through it together using Instagram as an example. So when you load the Instagram app, you end up seeing a bunch of posts with the number of likes. What you're first seeing is the front end or the UI, the user interface. And so the front end is built with tools like React or Swift, and it's the code that handles loading data, showing it to the user, and accepting user interactions like if you liked or left a comment, or if you scroll down to see more posts. Now, what loads in the data and accepts if you like a post or comment is the backend. This essentially acts as the brain when you first load. It tells it what to load, and then if someone likes, it tells it, and the brain would figure out how to perform that action to then show it on the front end. Now, once you do send that like, how does the app remember that it's not 500 likes, it's now 501? That's where your database comes in. So if your backend is almost like the brain of your app, like the logic of it, the database is the memory. So in the initial example, when you like the post, it sends this to the database to be like, okay, well, post X went from 500 to 501 likes. And then that way, the next time someone else loads this app, let's say a different person, they would get what to load, knowing that post X has 501, and that would show in here. And that's the loop. Essentially, the front end is the user interface, the back end is the logic, and the database is the memory. Come back to more where we dive deeper into what front end looks like and how people build it.